The Lamarilla Reforestation House, located in the rural zone of Fredonia, Colombia, was conceived as both a functional dwelling and a tool for ecological restoration. Designed by architects Quena Margarita Gonzalez Escobar and Juan Hoyos Taborda, the project addresses the urgent need to restore native forests in a region historically impacted by mining, coffee cultivation, livestock farming, and severe deforestation. With a built area of 67.5 square meters, the house provides temporary accommodation for those engaged in reforestation and environmental care. Its compact and modular design allows construction on varied terrains undergoing restoration, ensuring minimal disturbance to the site. The structure is elevated on stilts, enabling water, plants, and wildlife to move freely beneath it, while also making the building resilient to unstable ground and geological faults. The layout includes a multifunctional interior for living, dining, and working, an open kitchen leading to an outdoor deck, a bathroom with separate exterior access, and a loft sleeping area. The deck functions as an active workspace for planting and ecosystem monitoring. Wood is the primary building material, chosen for its light weight, ease of transport, and visual integration with the surrounding landscape. All timber was sustainably sourced, with trees replaced as part of the reforestation process, creating a closed ecological cycle. Since its creation, Lamarilla has served as a replicable model for sustainable rural housing, blending architecture with environmental stewardship. It supports ecological education, promotes sustainable development goals, and offers a living example of architecture as an active participant in habitat regeneration. Today, it continues to operate as both a home and a base for ongoing environmental restoration in the region.